What is up and welcome back to the channel, guys. It is a windy Tuesday afternoon. It's actually 1 p.m. But it ain't that hot because it's very windy. And we're meeting up with friends and doing a shoot. So a whole group of people are getting together today, and hey, thank you. So yeah, a whole group of guys are getting together, photographers and aspiring models, and it's organized by Joyce, who is someone I shot with before. It's actually been a while since I've seen her. And we're going to see some familiar photographer friends such as G. And yeah, this should be fun. Let's go. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping the things haven't changed. It's hard when you've got so many things in your hands. Sorry. Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's all with you, but I'm coming home. Photoshoot naman. May sabihin ka.
Hi po!
So yun. Heading back. Yes! So, YouTube. Puro photography sa YouTube ko.
What's up?
Extra lang ako
PM nyo mga ano nyo, mga page yung mga IG nyo. Sama ko sa IG. Woo!
Magkakaroon po kami ng panibagong video. Nandito po kami ngayon sa BGC. Naglalakad po kami.
Lipat po kami ng pwesto.
Yes. Kita nyo naman, nagaganda ng suot namin. Yo! Don't forget to click subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And the notification bell for more
Tatawid, tingin muna.